No.
You were not? Oh, okay.
No, I wasn't. A7S.
Okay, so this one is... It's really good, but it is geared more towards videography, supposedly. So... keep that in mind.
Everyone gamble your points away.
LMAO, you said you were then switched to nah.
No, I said I wasn't.
That
Thanks,
cake looks
Albino.
dope.
I said I wasn't.
Sati.
Wait, do what? Oh, the Gamba? Yo. Is the Gamba still running right now? Get in the Gamba, dude.
Yeah, her cake looks great.
Her kick looks amazing, dude.
Oh, you're very good with the photos. It'll be cool to see what you can do with a pro camera.
Yeah. Like I wasn't like I've just recently started like understanding the pro cameras
Get in Gamba.
and the fucking lenses and whatnot. The crazy lenses that are out there.
Yeah, I know.
Get in Gamba. Get in Gamba.
I can't wait till the disaster camel comes up with.
It's the same price as
Get
the
in
body.
Gamba.
Like, oh my god.
The lenses, you mean?
The lenses, yeah. So this lens is like $350, so it was definitely like one of the cheapest lenses that I saw.
Do it.
But the one that I want is like $2,000. I'm like,
Yeah,
fuck.
lenses can get crazy.
Yeah, they can.
I no kebabs. I was just looking at them. I didn't eat any. I was just looking in the jar of kebabs, and I might look again.
Washing the stick dust off.
No kebabs. I wasn't doing that. I didn't.
Eat one.
I didn't. No, dude. I can't eat one, dude.
Or are you scared?
Oh, dude. Oh shit! This remelted. I just want to make sure I have enough for you know styling my cake, and then I'll dive into them.
Nightbot is sassy. Eat it. Eat it.
You have plenty.
Do you have like
You have moldy cookies.
things that more things that you're gonna do for your cooking stuff?
OMG. Hey,
Like, are you
Nightbot.
ever gonna go on
As in
YouTube
what?
or?
Maybe.
ASMR.
Okay,
I kind of
got a boner.
just.
I mean,
Or is it like a
If you
hobby?
have a whistle,
Yo,
you'll
Brick
get it
up.
smoother.
I kind of just like go with the flow type shit.
To the mic, please. I have a lady boner.
This sounds like Camel After Hours.
Why it sounds like that though? And I mean I have a lady boner.
I heard it like 3
Me
times.
and
What is
Fake
going
have
on
boners,
in the
camel.
chat?
But hey. Josh.
How you doing over there? Ganache looks
I
good.
should call her.
Yeah, we're ganashed up right now. We are ganashed
why
up.
only me, Gramps?
Almost there. We are ganashed up right now, dude.
OMG. Patfilski KDSGHDGUKS. Can we have Egypt listen to this ASMR?
Wait, did somebody redeem Egypt?
Do not close your eyes, RN, or you will regret it.
Did somebody redeem Egypt?
Vote in GAMAB.
I'm gonna call her. I'm gonna do it. I'm doing
Vote in GAM.
it. Too late. I'm doing it. I don't know if anybody redeemed it.
It's okay, Gramps. I'm done. I need a sip.
Vote in Gamba.
Don't.
What is it today? Saturday.
Leave Egypt a voicemail of you mixing that
Okay.
knot.
If she doesn't pick up, I'm doing it.
Timer
If she doesn't
5
pick up, I'm
minutes.
doing it.
That RBO has
I'm just
underscore.
talking on this camera.
Love you.
I'm like,
dude.
I didn't-
Tell her that Linabian's ass